Morning class 8. This is your physics period. Student, we already discussed about our chapter sound, theme sound in a previous video. Today I will take our next topic of the sound. The topic of the sound is that pitch. What is the pitch? Okay. First is that if you know that the most whistle make a shrill sound, you know that now the most of the whistle which produce the shrill sound, while the big drum produce a deep sound. Why? We say that the drum sound is a low pitch or flat pitch. Okay, this is the difference between the shrill sound and deep sound. Okay, if you seen that the differentiate between the whistle, if you hearing the whistle sound and the drum sound, then this is the two different voice are produced, two different instrument. Okay, student. So this is our two difference. The first difference is that drum has your low pitch or flat, while the whistle has your high pitch. This is the two condition. If we the example of the shrill sound or a whistle sound, so we can say that the voice of the woman and the children are high pitch. Okay, because whistle or shrill sound has high pitch. Okay, student, this is the difference. And you know that the sound is produced by a vibrating object. Okay, how fast the object? If you remember in the previous video, then who is generated to sound? How to generate to the sound? The sound will be generated through the vibrating body. This is the condition now. Okay, so then how fast the object vibration determine the pitch? How fast? This is the question now. How fast the object vibrate of the determine the pitch of the sound? The answer is that the vibration means one complete to and fro motion or one oscillation. That means the time period, we can say that how fast the time period. If you remember that the simple pendulum, then the to and fro motion, the oscillation just like that. Okay, the to and fro motion which oscillate or vibrate the body or called one oscillation of the object, such of the vocal cords in the throat. Okay, this causes one cycle of a compression and the refraction, that is the one wave. Okay, this is the previous chapter, this is the previous video definitions. So student, now what is the number of the oscillation? The number of vibration or oscillation per second is the frequency. Now if in a per second to and fro motion is completed in the per second, number of oscillation is completed in per second, this is called your frequency. Okay, the frequency of sound is equal to the frequency of the vibration. That means if suppose that if simple pendulum I have, then it complete to and fro motion in per second. We calculate the number of the motion. Okay, number of motion if we calculate the in per second, this is the frequency, and frequency is equal to the your vibration body. Okay, this is the oscillation in per second, or we can say that this is the definition of the frequency by the vibrating body. For a vibrating body. Okay. Now student, vibration of the object that generate the sound, that means the vibration, number of vibration which produce the sound. How to? The frequency of should determine the pitch we hear. Frequency is measurable physical quantity measured in hertz. If we suppose that a vibrating body produce, if a vibrating body produce vibration, the vibration will produce the sound, and the sound which calculate, okay, in hertz, this is the frequency. Okay, sound calculate in terms of frequency. If we calculate that sound, then we calculate in terms of the frequency how many number of to and fro, or how many number of wavelength, or how many number of oscillation are completed in per second. Then we can say that if we frequency is measurable in the physical quantity, then we measure the frequency in hertz. Suppose pitch is suppose that pitch is low, that means this is the your low or dull, flat. Okay, while the frequency is high, that means your shrill sound which will be produced by the vibrating bodies. Two different. Now suppose a vibrating body will produce the number of oscillation. Okay, suppose that the vibrating body produces a number of oscillation in per second 20,000. Okay, now 20,000 we can say that suppose the 200 hertz. Okay, and a vibrating body will produce the vibration in per second 300. Then 200 is minimum to the 300. That means second body will produce the 300 frequency. So that means the vibrating body frequency is maximum. Then this is the high frequency in per second. Okay, 300 which produce the body 300 frequency hertz. That means which is the highest high frequency. Okay, then that body which produce the 300 hertz frequency then this body is produced the your shrill sound, that means vestal sound. Okay, and while 200 is the your low pitch, so we cannot say that this is the, we compare between two bodies. Okay, now our next heading is that frequency and the musical instrument. What is the frequency and musical instrument? Every musical instrument has different frequency. You know that the musical instrument can be classified as a wind instrument. For example, the flute and the trumpet, starting or string instrument. For example, violin and the sitar, and the percussion instruments, for example, drums and the cymbals. The frequency they produce the control by the adjusting the properties of the air column, string or vibrating membrane respectively. This is the different type of the frequencies, and the musical instrument which produce the different type of the frequency and different type of the frequency and different type of the vibration, which are depend on the frequency, how many number of frequency which produced through the different your string or your violin or trumpet. This is the example. Okay, student, now you know that our next topic is that monotone. What is the monotone? Okay, this is the question, is that this is the very important part. What is the monotone? And this is the very important question. What is the monotone? Every time if you understood the monotone, then this will be help in your class 9 and 10 also. What is the monotone? Okay, now the meaning of the monotone, mono, that means one. Okay, then monotone of sound is having a single pitch, okay, or frequency, single pitch or frequency, vestal, alarm, buzzers, and so on rise monotonic sound. This is the example of the monotonic sound. Monotonic sound which produce the single sound. They are the usually not pleasant to hear and are used mainly to draw attention. Engine, motor, and the insects such as wasps and the bees also make monotonic sound. That means which produce single beep. This is the just like a monotone sound. Okay, when often referred to the monotonic sound as droning or buzzing. Okay, to be pleasant to the ear, a sound should be generally be made of the mixture of the frequency and the amplitude. When several simple wave varying the frequency and the amplitude are mixed, a more complex waveform pattern of the wave is produced. Okay, types of the waveform is a different, simple waveform and the complex waveform. Two types of the waveform: a simple waveform, that means a monotonic waveform, and the single waveform. If you seen that example in book, this is the simple waveform and this is the your complex waveform, just like that. Okay, this is the two different example of the monotonic and the monotonic and the complex waveform. Okay, student, now after that our two topic is left, harmonic and the noise. We will discuss maybe for that we have in the next class, our live classes. Okay, now maybe it is a probability is that we are the last class through the video classes. Okay, it is if we meet in a next video or next classes through the live classes. Okay, thank you very much.